OpenRent is a UK-based online service that connects landlords and tenants. It offers an innovative approach to the rental market, eliminating the need for traditional letting agents. OpenRent simplifies the process of renting by integrating all necessary services into one platform, from property listings to tenancy agreements and rent collection. Its technology-driven approach aims to make renting more transparent, efficient, and affordable. OpenRent offers numerous features that streamline the renting process. These include property advertising on major portals like Rightmove and Zoopla, tenant referencing, digital tenancy agreements, and rent collection. It also provides a landlord dashboard for easy management of rental properties. OpenRent's Rent Now service allows tenants to secure a property instantly online, ensuring a swift and secure rental process. OpenRent's pricing is transparent and competitive. For just $49, landlords can advertise their property on major portals. For $20 more, OpenRent will also handle tenant inquiries and viewings. The comprehensive Rent Now service, which includes contract creation, deposit registration, and first month's rent collection, is priced at $49. There are no renewal fees, making OpenRent an affordable choice for landlords and tenants. OpenRent is ideal for landlords who want to manage their properties directly and save on agency fees. It's also great for tenants seeking a transparent, straightforward rental experience. OpenRent is especially useful for long-distance landlords as it offers nationwide coverage. It's also suited for tech-savvy individuals who prefer online transactions and digital communication. OpenRent offers several advantages. Its cost-effectiveness, transparency, and efficiency make it a popular choice. The platform provides a hassle-free experience for both landlords and tenants by eliminating unnecessary intermediaries. OpenRent's comprehensive services, from advertising to rent collection, streamline the rental process. Its technology-driven approach also fosters a more transparent rental market. Despite its advantages, OpenRent has some limitations. Its services are currently available only in the UK. The platform may also be less effective for landlords with high-end properties that require a more personalized marketing approach. Additionally, some landlords may prefer the hands-on service provided by traditional letting agents, which OpenRent's online model cannot fully replicate. OpenRent offers a unique, technology-driven solution to the rental market. Its cost-effective, efficient services benefit landlords and tenants alike. However, it may not suit everyone's needs, especially those who prefer a more traditional, hands-on approach to property management. Despite its limitations, OpenRent's innovative model is transforming the UK rental market. OpenRent is an innovative online rental service offering efficient, cost-effective solutions for landlords and tenants. It provides a range of services from property advertising to rent collection. Despite being limited to the UK and potentially less effective for high-end properties, OpenRent's model is a game changer in the rental market. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Your support helps us create more content for you. Stay tuned for our next video.